so we're making cupcakes today, as you said. And yeah, so this is starting. Yeah, make instructions. Okay, making instructions. So, Rochi, what do we need?
1 cup of water, half of oil, and 3 eggs.
Yeah, so that's what we need to make this cupcakes. And yeah, so that's what we need. I did not put the first egg in there. Oh my goodness.
It's so cold. It's cold too.
It's already open.
Since it's already open.
You want to crack one?
Yeah.
Let me help you. So,
I can do this.
okay. And you can pour it. Okay, that's good. I guess that's good. And we don't have the eggs. We're so busy. Okay, can we get some?
Sometimes since it's really oily.
So which one we pour in the oil? Okay, now pour in the water.
Since it's yellowy.
Pour it in.
It's getting yellow.
Okay, that's my turn. The water. Don't touch it! And now, I think we should add in the cake mixer.
Yeah. Goodness gracious. Our hands are like oil.
Your hands are super eggy, but that's okay.
It's getting bubbly.
Don't touch it!
Papa, it's getting bubbly.
Okay, now we're gonna add in.
No. It's flour.
Thank you. Let's go. Good. Okay, we're gonna pour it in 3, 2. Whoa, that was so fun.
Now can I taste it?
No, we can't taste it. We have to mix it.
I want to use my spatula.
Her Roti's using the spatula to mix. Okay.
Okay, start.
Okay, start. Yeah, so basically you have to mix until it's like you don't see any chunks of eggs or not like eggs, but like egg yolk, like yellow in there, or like
I don't see any yellow.
or any like little bits of chunks of the cake mix and stuff. I see a lot of chunks right here. Do you see it?
Can I still taste it?
No, you already tasted it.
But at least can I lick my spatula?
Later, after we finish making everything. So you can put the sponge.
But you just talk like
Because don't let on my hand.
Can I
Just see
taste
if there's any. No, not right now.
Please?
Not right now. After we finish
Can I just lick
mixing. Okay. Oh my goodness, Rose. Yo, you stand good. Liquor. Really? My goodness gracious. I have to put it in the
spatula stand there?
Yeah, there's another spatula. We're putting it in first. Want to put some of these things in?
Yeah.
Okay, put them in. Okay, so I'm add them in. You want to help me? Yeah. But we only have to add them in halfway because it'll rise when we put them in the oven. Wait. Calm down, wait. I have to put these one. Put this one.
Dude, that's giant.
Not yet. Not yet. Oh my goodness.
Alice, can I lick my spatula?
Not yet. Yeah, I feel like that's halfway. Okay, Roti, you can add some in here. They're only here, in here.
What? Those are not mine.
Roti, they're for all of the family. We're making it for all of the family.
Let's get in.
This is secret. Oh no, Rosie, you didn't wear your apron.
Okay. Dad, can I wear my apron?
There we go. Let me try putting some around.
The first part is tasting it.
Yeah, Rosie. You don't even eat the cupcakes. You just look at them. gonna let it bake in the oven for 18 minutes. Yeah, so right now we're baking it for 18 minutes, and yeah, so we're baking it for 18 minutes. So we'll see you guys. Wait, calm down. Please subscribe.
When guys are gone, can we see the cupcake fries?
Okay guys, so we're back, and so we're here, and the cupcakes have just gotten out of the oven. They look delicious. First we have to decorate them with some icing, some cake make icing. Can I try? This looks so good, right, Rosie? You wanna try? You wanna try squeezing them?
Yeah.
Okay. So what you have to do is you gotta tilt it to the side, okay? You gotta tilt it to the side like this. Try it. Tilt it. Tilt it to the side. Okay, you can't do it.
Can I try some?
You can try them. Okay, these two. Wanna take this one? I'm gonna take this one. I'm just gonna take them out.
Yeah, you're gonna take it.
It's gracious.
Okay, we can create a look like.
Rosie, stop it.
Just like that.
Take them out.
Cherry cake.
How much are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What do you need?
No, I
Rosie, this one's way too big for you. You can have this one. Okay, so we're gonna try them now. Oh, I'm so ready to try this. Okay, I'm gonna take out the wrapper.
Me too. Can you help me?
Sure, if you want me to. There you go. Okay, we're gonna try it in 3, 2, 1. We're just bitten to the top with the icing ones. Is it good? Bye guys. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. And make sure you comment down below what other videos I should do, right, Rosie? And we'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.
Bye.